Hello there everybody, this is mytechtutors.com, bringing you a great review and tutorial of how anybody from all ages or skill levels can learn how to start developing applications for Android. What you want to do is head over to appinventor.mit.edu and simply click on the Create button. Now when you first click on Create, you need to log in with your Google account and give it permissions to access App Inventor 2 from MIT. Once you do that, you'll get this page right here, and the first thing you want to do is set up an Android device or an emulator on your computer in order to be able to test out and debug the actual applications you develop. I'll be going over that more in depth on my website. Again, that's mytechtutors.com. I'll have a full review and tutorial up there as well that goes more in depth with all the technical stuff. But right now I just want to give you a quick overview of how easy it is for you or your child to start learning how to develop applications for Android today. So I'm just going to hit continue because I already have an emulator set up. And I already made this application, but I am going to set up a new project. And I'm going to name it Hello Per 2. And what I always recommend is to open a second tab, click on Support, Tutorials, and this has some great tutorials from all different skill levels to allow you to work your way up. This is the first one I'm doing, Hello Per, for App Inventor 2. Essentially what we'll be doing is making an app that you click a picture of a cat, and the cat meows. So you can head over there and read all of this yourself, but I just want to show you how quick and easy it can be. The first thing you want to do is right click and save the different resource files, the picture of the cat and the MP3 of a cat meowing, which I already have done. Head over to App Inventor after you started your project. What we want to do is add a button. We want to head over to the properties side there and upload an image to replace a button, and the image will be of the cat. Then we want to delete the text from the button. That's right there in the middle of the cat's face by heading over there and deleting the text. And there it goes. Then we want to grab a label to tell people what to do, and as you can see on the components, it tells me what I'm working in. So right now this is the properties of the label because the label is highlighted. And I just want to make this quick and painless and just say pet the cat. We won't worry about any of the other stuff for now, just because in the interest of time. Over here underneath the user interface, or rather the palette right there, we want to scroll down and go to Media, Sound, and let's go ahead and under Properties, upload the MP3 of a cat meowing. And now we have all the components we need. So up in the top right we go to Blocks. And now this is where all the development actually happens, and it's a nice easy layout. And if we continue on with the tutorial page here, as you can see I've already gone through all of this, we go down to the blocks layout, and now you'll see the different block options. When button 1 click, do. When button 1 got focus, long click, etc, etc. There's a bunch of different options, but they make it nice and easy for you to follow along. So we want to click button 1, we want to click when button 1 click, do. Remember, button 1 up in Designer is the name that we assign to this cat picture. And then we want to click on Sound. We want to get call sound 1 play. So essentially it's saying when the cat picture is clicked, do play the MP3. And what you want to do is once you have the emulator or your phone set up, you click up here, Connect, and you can click on whichever one you like. In this case we click the emulator. It does take a few minutes for the emulator to pop up, so I kept it open for my last project. Pet the kitty, and as you can see when I click the cat, it meows. a nice, quick, and easy and fun way to learn how to develop for Android. Go ahead, give it a try. Encourage your children to do so as well. Again, this is mytechtutors.com, bringing you all the latest tips and tricks for educational technology for you and your children. Have a good day.